In Excel for Mac, you can now insert data from your clipboard, a file on your computer, or a picture taken with your iPhone's continuity camera. Right-click the picture that contains the data you want to insert, and then select Copy Image. In Excel, go to Insert, then select Data from Picture. From this drop-down, you can also insert data from a file. Select Picture from Clipboard, select Review to double-check your data, make any changes if necessary. Once finished, select Insert Data. If you're inserting data from your iPhone's continuity camera, make sure your picture is bright. Keep it as flat as possible and crop out any extra information to get the best results.